This section will be a bit longer than the others, as there are a few different ways in which a zone can be mapped out, depending on the watering type and how detailed you would like your map to be. Let's start off by using the quick and easy way to map out a zone, which is what we recommend for the majority of situations. To start, click on the button with the map pin icon in the upper right. This will initiate a pop-up form that gives you two different options: Draw Zone as a point or Polygon. Select Draw Zone as a point. Once you select this button, you will see a crosshair icon appear at the center of the map, along with a green Confirm Zone Location button underneath it. Move the map until the center crosshair icon is under the desired location and select Confirm Zone Location. In this case, we set the map pin icon approximately in the middle area of the entire zone. We will use this single point to represent the entire zone. After clicking on Confirm Zone Location, a pop-up form will display with a few different options. The label field can be used to assign the zone number, the zone type can be selected in the drop-down, and any additional notes can be added to the zone. You will notice that you now have the option to clicking Next or Finish and Close. For now, let's click on Finish and Close since we only want to map out the general zone location in this example. While you can certainly use this quick and easy method for the majority of situations, you may have instances where you want to map out each and every head. Let's go back to step 2 of that zone we just added. Instead of clicking Finish and Close, let's click on Next. In this option, you will notice that you can add sub-elements within the zone. Individual heads, drip emitters, and micro sprays are considered zone sub-elements. Click on Add Zone Element, and you will be brought to the screen with a center crosshair icon and the Confirm Point button. Move the map until the center crosshair icon is in the desired location and select Confirm Point. It will then bring us to a pop-up form to fill out about the head. Once you fill it out, select Add. Repeat this process until you have added all of your heads in the zone, and then select Finish and Close. You have now identified both the general area of the zone, as well as all of the sub-elements, which were rotor heads in this case. Now, let's remove that zone we just added and re-add it as a polygon rather than a point. This can be a little bit tricky on a mobile device out in the field, but it is certainly an option if you prefer this method. Click on the Draw Zone button again. Select Draw Zone as a polygon. Tap on the map where you would like to indicate the first vertex of your polygon, then tap again on the map to indicate an additional vertex. Once you have added all the vertexes within your polygon, click on Confirm Zone Polygon. A pop-up form will then display with the same options you saw in the previous example. Fill these out and click on Finish and Close if you are ready to save the zone to the map. If you want to add additional sub-elements to the zone, rather than clicking on Finish and Close, select Next in Step 2 and add your zone sub-elements. We recommend that you play around with the Draw Zone feature to determine which option works best for your company. If you need assistance determining this, feel free to reach out to us for help.